Post the Kargil remark, Azam Khan has now appealed voters for revenge against the murderers of Muzaffarnagar. Addressing a rally in Sambhal, Azam appealed to people to vote to defeat fascist forces and press the button to take revenge on the murderers of Muzaffarnagar.
जब तक वोट न डाल दो उस वक्त तक नाश्ता न करो, क्योंकि आज के दिन तुम्हें फाशिस्टों को उनकी हैसियत और उनकी औकात बतानी है। और आज के दिन मुजफ्फरनगर के कातिलों से तुम्हें बदला लेना है। आज के दिन 2002 में जो जुल्म गुजरात में हुआ था, बटन दबाकर कातिलों से बदला लेना है और नरेंद्र मोदी को हिंदुस्तान की बादशाहत से माजूल कर देना है।
I'm continuing to persist with his attempts to try and polarize the Kargil comment the other day, also getting the EC to sit up and take notice, and they have said that they will be going through the tape sometime through the day today, and we could hear whether or not there will be action taken against Azam Khan in a day or two. Meanwhile, close on the heels of that remark comes another remark here, this time addressing a rally in Sambhal. Azam appealing to the voters to try and vote to defeat the murderers of Muzaffarnagar. Take a listen to that once again.
जब तक वोट न डाल दो उस वक्त तक नाश्ता न करो, क्योंकि आज के दिन तुम्हें फाशिस्टों को उनकी हैसियत और उनकी औकात बतानी है। और आज के दिन मुजफ्फरनगर के कातिलों से तुम्हें बदला लेना है। आज के दिन 2002 में जो जुल्म गुजरात में हुआ था, बटन दबाकर कातिलों से बदला लेना है और नरेंद्र मोदी को हिंदुस्तान की बादशाहत से माजूल कर देना है।
What does he mean by that? If that is not an attempt to polarize, Pranshu, well, then what is? Isn't he directly, indirectly going ahead and calling certain people murderers?
Yes, that's right. In fact, it seems that Azam Khan has learned no lessons even after being pulled up by the Election Commission on his alleged Kargil speech, where he has tried to divide the army on the religious lines. This particular speech he made yesterday in Sambhal, where again he is trying to evoke sentiments on the basis of the Muzaffarnagar riots. And remember, it is almost a similar tone for which the BJP General Secretary Amit Shah was recently booked for his hate speeches in Bijnor and Shamli, and almost in a very similar repetition of words. Only the leader in this case was a different one. Azam Khan goes on to say that this election is all about revenge against the murderers of Muzaffarnagar, revenge against what transpired in the Gujarat riots of 2002. So clearly, it is an objectionable speech. If it was objectionable, if it was said by Amit Shah, then similarly, it is again almost the same return, the same repeat of almost the same speech by the Samajwadi Party's General Secretary Azam Khan. And it seems that Azam Khan is bent on taking up, the Election Commission is bent on challenging the model code of conduct repeatedly, because remember, this is the second such instance where Azam Khan has probably crossed that line, which now brings him in the preview of violation of model code of conduct. So clearly what Azam Khan says is a clear attempt to raise passions or to raise sentiments, try to organize the voters on the communal lines by invoking the sentiments of the Muzaffarnagar riots and appealing to voters to vote against the murderers of the Muzaffarnagar.